Titli's tiny tips.
In my humble opinion, boiling carrots to serve as a vegetable is a food crime. So let's do something different. Let's peel the carrot. Then I'm going to cut the carrot into matchsticks. So I'll cut it into thirds and slice it in half. Cut into thinnish slices. Then cut each slice into matchstick. And voila! Carrot matchsticks. Melt a tablespoon of butter in a pan. Add in half a teaspoon of sugar and the carrots. Now either give them a good stir or cover and shake. Now cook them over a medium-low heat for about 10 minutes with occasional stirring, or until they're really tender. After about 10 minutes, your carrots will be tender, buttery and slightly sweet. Lovely! Now doesn't that look better than boring rounds of boiled carrot?